Exercise 5.2. Question number 1. Sub-question number 1. Here you see, we know the formula, and from the formula you see what are the things given and what is to find out. Apply the unknown quantities given here and you get the quantity which is required. Here A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3, N is equal to 8, and what you have to find out? An is equal to what? Means you have to find out the nth term. My dear student, you know the formula. Here An is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. The things which are given you put here, and the thing which you have to find out you will get automatically from this equation. An is equal to not given, so A is equal to 7, N is equal to 8 and minus 1 you write here, D is equal to 3. What you get? 7 plus 8 minus 1? 7 into 3 is 7, and 7 into 3 you are getting 21. So you are getting 28. Therefore you got An is equal to 28. This is your answer. My dear students, now we are going to do question number. I should rub it, otherwise I will not get the space. Question number 3. What are here? A is equal to find out. A is not given. D is equal to minus 3. N is equal to 18. And An is equal to minus 5 is given. Dear friends, what is to find out here? The first term is to be find out. Here you apply the formula. An is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. An is already given. I have put here 5 minus 5. A is not given, as it is A. N is given here, that is 18 minus 1, and D is what? Minus 3. Minus 5 is equal to A plus 18 minus 1. What you are getting? 18 minus 1 you are getting 70 into minus 3. Listen, minus 5 is equal to A plus into minus you will get minus 17 into 3 you are getting 51. Now let this A come right left hand side, so minus A you are getting. Let minus 5 go to right hand side. Minus 5 will be plus 5 here, and minus 1. Ultimately what you are getting? Minus A is equal to minus 51 plus 5. Minus is more, so we are writing minus 6. 46 you are getting. Ultimately what happened? Minus minus cancel. A is equal to 46. You got it. Dear friends, in this way, the first question, the rest sub questions you are supposed to do yourself. If you are getting any difficulty, you may contact me on my personal number and I will try to rectify it. Now, another question we are doing. Here you see, question number 2 is question number 2 is 2 number we are doing. Question number 2. There's a question number 2. Here what are the things given? 11th term. What you have to find out? Find 11th term. Means what? First of all you write the question what is given. Series is minus 3 minus 1 by 2 2 dot dot dot. Find the 11th term. Its 11th term. Now option you have to select. Choose the correct option. So main question is written what? Choose the correct option. 4 options are given. So here series is like that. 11th term is given. 11th term is like that. Options. A 28, B 22, C minus 38, D minus 48, 1 by 2. Which of the given options is correct? Here we are starting. Here A is equal to, you are getting minus 3. D is equal to, you have to find out. How can you find out D? Second term minus first term, or third term minus second term. Here we are doing second term minus first term. Second term is 1 by 2 minus first term is minus 3. So you are getting minus 1 by 2 minus minus plus 3. You are getting LCM. Here is nothing, is what? 1. So you will get LCM 2 and 1, 2 minus 1 plus 6. You are getting 5 by 2. Now which term you have to find out? 11th term. So A 11 is equal to A plus 11 is n is equal to 11. You are getting 11 minus 1 and D into D. Dear friends, you see A is equal to already given minus 3. 11 minus 1 you are getting 10 and D is 5 by 2. So 2 5s are 10. You are getting minus 3 plus 5 5s are 25. So you are getting minus 22 you are getting. Is minus 22. Why minus 22? Plus it should be there because minus is there. Plus is more. So which one is the correct option? You see 22. So in the examination you are supposed to write correct option is B 22. Like that you are supposed to do. Now one more question is there that you have to do yourself. Here we are rubbing the question. Question number 3. Sub question number 4. -4. Fill in the blank. Actually, question is fill in the blank. Fill in the blanks or find the missing terms. Find the missing terms. Missing terms. Here you see A is equal to -4. We don't know D. Here you see A is equal to -4. After that you see first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term. So sixth term you are getting what? 6. So you may apply the formula like that. A6 is equal to A plus 6. Sixth term is n is equal to 6. 6 minus 1 and D, we don't know what is D or D is not known. We are writing D. Here you see A6, instead of A6 you are supposed to write 6. Instead of A you are supposed to write -4. 6 minus 1 you are getting 5 into D. Let this -4 come this side. So 6 plus 4 you are getting 5D. Here 10 is equal to you are getting 5D. Therefore D is equal to 10 by 5. You are getting 2. Therefore D you got. Now this is the second term. Second term means A2 is equal to A plus D. What is A here? A is equal to -4, D is equal to 2. You are getting -4 plus 2 -2. A3 is equal to, so you got this one. A3 is equal to, you are getting A2 plus D. So here -2 and D is what? 2. So you are getting 0. A3 you got 0. So here you are supposed to put 0. After that A4. Here there is no space. I am writing here. A4 is equal to A3 plus common difference. So you are getting A3 is 0 plus common difference is 2. You are getting 2. Now A4 you got. A5 is equal to, you are getting A4 plus D. Therefore A4 you got 2 and common difference is 2. So 2 plus 2 4. Therefore missing terms are what are the missing terms? You see second term so you got here -2. After that 0. After that you got 2. After that and you write and. you are getting 4. In this way, you have finished up to question number 3. Question number 3, rest you have to do yourself. Just find the missing terms. What are given, it is alright. What is not given, that you have to find out. Now, next question we are doing in the next video.